Unraveling the Mystery. What is a scapegoat? Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that has a rich history, scapegoat. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, origins, and how to use it in sentences. The term scapegoat has biblical origins. In ancient times, during a specific religious ritual, one of two goats was chosen by lot to be sent into the wilderness, carrying the sins of the community. This goat was called the scapegoat. The other goat was sacrificed. Over time, the term has evolved and is now used metaphorically in English. In modern English, a scapegoat is someone who is blamed or punished for the mistakes or misdeeds of others. They are essentially bearing the blame that should be distributed among many or placed on someone else. For example, if a project at work fails and one person is blamed for the entire failure even if it was a team effort, that individual is being made a scapegoat. Let's see how to use this term in sentences. 1. After the scandal, the CEO became the scapegoat for the company's downfall. 2. To avoid taking responsibility, he made her the scapegoat for his own mistakes. 3. The media often looks for a scapegoat when a big event goes wrong. Understanding synonyms can give you more clarity. Some synonyms for scapegoat include fall guy, patsy, whipping boy. However, remember that while synonyms might have similar meanings, they might not always be interchangeable depending on the context. So, there you have it. Now you know the intriguing story behind the word scapegoat and how to use it in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, and remember, language learning is all about understanding the nuances and stories behind words. Hope you found this video helpful, and happy learning!